My child, I am calling out to you with all the love in my heart. You have wandered far, seeking peace in places that cannot truly satisfy your soul. Come back to me, for I am your refuge and your strength. Do not let the distractions of this world pull you away from the joy and hope that I long to give you. Time is fleeting, and my arms are open wide, waiting to embrace you. Do not delay, for every moment spent apart from me is a moment lost to my love and grace. Return to me, for I will heal your heart, restore your spirit, and fill your life with my everlasting peace. I have chosen you, called you by name, and I will never stop loving you. Come back to me, my child, and let us walk this journey together